Cruise lines will nickel and dime you for everything, or at least that's what they want you to think. But here's the truth they'll never put in the brochure. There are 17 completely free things you can get on board, and some of them are so hidden, even seasoned cruisers walk right past without realizing. I'm talking about sneaking into the spa without paying a cent, free tours that only a handful of passengers ever discover, and even a way to make the cruise line hand you back money after you've already booked. Most people will never find these, but you're about to. And trust me, the last one on this list could be worth hundreds. Let's get into it. Number 1. Free access to the ship's spa thermal suite. Embarkation day tours. Here's something almost nobody realizes. On embarkation day, the spa isn't just giving tours. They're quietly giving you a chance to use their most expensive area for free. I'm talking about the thermal suite. Heated loungers, saunas, steam rooms, even a bubbling thalassotherapy pool. The works. Normally, you'd pay hundreds for a weekly pass. But during those first hours after boarding, they'll let you step inside, sit down, and try it all out. Of course, they'll pitch it as a sales tactic. They want you to feel the warmth of the loungers and the steam in the sauna, so you'll hand over your card for the full package. But if you time it right, you can enjoy a mini spa day without ever opening your wallet. I once watched a couple head straight to the spa before even unpacking. They lounged for almost an hour before anyone started hinting about buying passes. And here's the kicker. Most passengers never even set foot in the spa because they assume it's pay to enter only. So while the rest of the ship is elbow to elbow at the buffet, you could be soaking in a spa pool completely free. The trick is simple. Go early before the sales rush starts. If you wait until later, it'll be crowded with people actually paying for access. But on day 1, when everyone else is distracted with food and muster drills, you've basically got a free golden ticket into the spa. Number 2. Free room upgrades via guarantee cabins. Now let's talk about one of the most exciting gambles you can take on a cruise. The guarantee cabin. Here's how it works. You book the cheapest category, like an inside cabin, but you don't get to pick your room number. The cruise line decides where to put you. And if that category fills up, congratulations! You've just been upgraded for free. This happens more often than people think, because cruise lines hate sailing with empty cabin. If the inside category sells out but they've got spare ocean views, you might get bumped up. If the ocean view fills, you could score a balcony. Some people even claim they've jumped multiple categories. You pay the bare minimum, and suddenly you're sipping coffee on your private balcony without paying balcony prices. Now, it's not guaranteed. Sometimes you'll end up exactly where you paid for, usually in the least desirable location. But when it works, it feels like hitting the jackpot. Cruise forums are full of stories where passengers booked the cheapest inside and were stunned to find their keycard opened a balcony cabin. Here's the trick. If you're the type who doesn't care about picking the perfect cabin location, the gamble can pay off huge. Think of it as a free upgrade lottery ticket. You won't win every single time, but when you do, you'll be grinning the entire cruise knowing the people in the cabin next to you paid hundreds more for the exact same view. Number 3, free ship branded merchandise. Here's a secret a lot of cruisers don't realize. The ship actually gives away free branded merchandise. I'm talking tote bags, lanyards, water bottles, and even loyalty pins. They're not plastering signs about it, but these little giveaways are everywhere if you know where to look. Guest services sometimes has a stash if you just ask. Loyalty programs almost always hand them out at their events. And if you attend the so-called shopping talks in the theater, they'll often throw in freebies to get you through the door. Most people assume every souvenir has to be bought in the gift shop, but smart cruisers know better. Walk away with a free cruise line tote, and it feels like a little trophy. Proof you scored something on board without adding to your bill. Number 4, free behind-the-scenes galley tours. Think the galley is off limits unless you pay for an expensive all-access tour? Not true. Many cruise lines quietly offer free galley walkthroughs. They usually pop up in the daily planner as a special event, and only the sharp-eyed passengers catch it. You'll get to walk through the ship's massive kitchen, see chefs plating meals, and even grab a photo in the process. It's not as detailed as the paid tour, but it's free, and most passengers never even know it exists. I've seen people come back from these mini tours saying it was one of the highlights of their cruise, and they didn't spend a cent. So keep an eye on the schedule. When you see galley tour, don't assume it costs extra. Slip in, enjoy the behind-the-scenes peek, and smile knowing you beat the system. Number 5, casino freebies without gambling. Here's a little trick most passengers walk right past. You don't have to gamble to score free stuff in the ship's casino. Every cruise I've been on, the casino runs what they call learn-to-play sessions. These aren't boring lectures. They're free mini lessons where the dealers teach you games like blackjack, poker, or roulette. And here's the best part. They hand you free chips to practice with. Sure, you can't cash them in for real money, but you can sit down, play a few hands, and get a feel for the game without risking a dime. Some ships even throw in free drinks during these sessions, which is basically a bonus win. The casino's goal is to hook you so you'll come back later with real cash, but nothing says you have to. You can walk away with new skills, a drink in hand, and a story to tell, all without ever opening your wallet. Number 6. Specialty restaurant tasting. Specialty restaurants are designed to tempt you, and they've got a sneaky way of doing it. On embarkation day or during taste events, they'll set up free samplers outside the venue. Think bite-sized steak cuts, mini desserts, or a fresh sushi roll. It's their way of luring passengers into booking a full dinner, but you don't have to spend a thing to enjoy the sample. Sometimes they'll even host a small cooking demo where you can try signature dishes. I once saw an entire line of cruisers grabbing free chocolate lava cake samples outside the steakhouse, and most of them never booked dinner. So here's the secret. Walk by when you see a crowd near a specialty restaurant on day 1. Chances are you'll get a free taste of the ship's best food without dropping $50 a head. A little cruise hack that makes you feel like you're in on something most passengers overlook. Number 7. Free seasickness tablets from guest services. Here's one that can save your entire trip. Free seasickness tablets. If the waves kick up and you start feeling queasy, don't run to the gift shop, where they'll happily charge you for a tiny packet of motion sickness pills. Instead, head to guest services. Almost every cruise line keeps a supply of basic seasickness medication, and they hand it out for free if you ask. I've seen passengers who didn't know this spend $20 in the shop for the exact same pills being given out down at the desk. Even cabin stewards sometimes have a stash, and will bring them right to your room if you're not feeling well. Now, to be clear, this is the regular over-the-counter stuff, like meclizine or Dramamine. If you need something stronger, that's when you'd visit the medical center, and yes, that'll cost you. But for the vast majority of cases, these freebies work perfectly. So the next time the ship starts rocking, don't just suffer through it or waste money in the shop. Make one quick trip to guest services, smile politely, and walk away with free seasickness tablets that could be the difference between enjoying your cruise or spending it staring at the cabin ceiling. Number 8. Free art, jewelry, and liquor raffles. Every day on board, the shops and galleries are running raffles. They're 100% free to enter. Most passengers ignore them, assuming it's just a gimmick, but real people win. I've watched cruisers walk away with bottles of champagne, designer jewelry, and even framed artwork without paying a cent. Here's how it works. The art gallery usually hosts a free raffle during their auctions. The jewelry store does them when they're promoting new pieces, and the liquor shops often give away bottles as part of their sales events. All you have to do is show up, fill out a ticket, and you're in. No purchase required. The cruise lines use raffles to draw in crowds, but the funny thing is, most of the crowd is just there for the freebies. I've even seen people who make it a strategy, hitting every raffle on the schedule just to boost their odds. And sometimes it pays off. Even if you don't win, you've killed a bit of time, maybe had a free drink during the event, and walked away entertained. But if your name does get called, that's a vacation memory you'll never forget. And a prize that cost you nothing. Number 9. Free room service menu. Core items. Room service has gotten a bit tricky in recent years, and a lot of cruise lines now tack on delivery fees for late-night orders or premium items. But here's what most passengers don't realize. There's still a completely free menu that doesn't cost you a cent. Usually it's things like continental breakfast, sandwiches, soups, or salads. On some ships, you can even order fruit plates, cookies, or cheese trays without paying a thing. The secret is knowing which items are included and which ones have a service fee. The free stuff is always there, and it just gets buried under the fancy menus designed to make you spend. I've met people who thought room service was entirely gone unless you paid for it, and they were shocked to discover they could still have coffee and croissants delivered to their cabin every morning without adding a dime to their bill. The tip here is simple. Check the small print on the menu and look for the included items. Don't assume everything has a price tag, because those quiet freebies can be the best way to start your day in total comfort. Number 10. Free ship tours for new cruisers. If it's your first time on a ship, finding your way around can feel like a maze. But here's a secret most people don't know. Many cruise lines offer free orientation tours on embarkation day. They don't always announce them loudly, but if you check the daily program or ask guest services, you'll find guided tours where crew walk you through the ship's main areas. You'll get to see theaters, lounges, dining rooms, and sometimes even hidden shortcuts between decks. It's a fantastic way to get your bearings, especially on megaships where you could spend half your cruise just figuring out where everything is. I've seen new cruisers skip this and spend days wandering around lost, while the ones who joined the free tour knew exactly where to find the best lounges and secret spots right from the start. And the best part? It doesn't cost a dime. So if you ever feel overwhelmed boarding a huge ship, look for the free orientation tour. It's like having a personal guide to unlock the ship for you, completely free. Number 11. Free bridge and engine room TV channel. This one hides in plain sight, in your cabin. Most cruise ships have a dedicated TV channel that streams live footage from the ship's bridge. You can see the exact view the captain has, along with real-time navigation details like speed, course, and location. Some ships even run engine room feeds or behind-the-scenes documentaries. It's completely free, and it's like getting insider access without having to pay for a bridge or engine room tour. I've seen cruisers glued to this channel during scenic cruising, watching glaciers, fjords, or sail-ins to famous ports, because you're literally seeing what the captains see. Most passengers flip straight past it looking for movies, but the bridge channel is one of the coolest hidden freebies you'll find in your cabin. Number 12. Free postcards and stationery at guest services. Here's something hardly anyone knows. You can often pick up free postcards, stationery, and even cruise line branded writing paper at guest services. They keep them for passengers who want to write home, jot notes, or send letters from exotic ports. It's a small perk, but it's surprisingly fun, especially when you grab a cruise-branded postcard, write a quick note, and mail it from the next port with an international stamp. It becomes a one-of-a-kind souvenir, and it didn't cost you a thing. I've even seen people collect the stationery and frame it as part of their cruise memories. It's the kind of freebie that feels hidden, because unless you ask, you'd never know it was there. Number 13. Free fitness classes and sports courts. Cruise ships aren't just about eating and lounging. They're packed with free ways to stay active, and most passengers don't take full advantage. Sure, the gym itself is free, but what a lot of people don't realize is that many of the classes and activities are too. You'll usually find group workouts like stretching, aerobics, Zumba, or even sunrise yoga on deck included in your fare. On top of that, the sports courts are always open. Basketball, soccer, volleyball, ping pong, shuffleboard, even mini golf. I've watched families turn an entire sea day into a sports marathon without paying a dime, while others shell out for specialty classes or just sit around thinking there's nothing to do. The trick is to scan the daily schedule for the word complimentary. Not everything fitness-related costs extra, and those free classes can be some of the most fun and energizing parts of the cruise. Number 14. Free enrichment classes and lectures. Cruise lines love to pack the schedule with entertainment, but here's the secret. Some of the best stuff isn't a show, it's the free enrichment programs. These are hidden gems, and they're included. Depending on your ship, you might find destination experts giving talks about the ports you're visiting, language crash courses before you dock, or even cooking demos with free tastings. On one of my cruises, the enrichment lecturer was a retired astronaut, and his talks about space were standing room only, all completely free. Most passengers flip right past these listings in the daily planner, not realizing they're giving up something amazing. But the people who go, they come away with knowledge, stories, and sometimes even skills they can take home. It's like having a mini university on board, and it won't cost you a penny. Number 15. Free shuttle buses at ports. Here's one that can save you serious money if you know to ask. Free shuttle buses at certain ports. A lot of cruise terminals are set in industrial areas miles away from the actual town, and most passengers think their only options are an overpriced excursion or a taxi. But many cruise lines, especially in Europe and Asia, quietly run complimentary shuttles straight into the city center. Sometimes it's printed in the daily schedule, other times it's a little announcement buried in the fine print, and occasionally you'll only hear about it if you ask guest services. But once you know, it's like unlocking a free transfer service the cruise line hoped you wouldn't notice. I've seen entire families pay $50 for a transfer while just a few steps away another group was hopping on the free shuttle with a smile. Always check before you spend on transport, because this one little perk can save you a small fortune over the course of a cruise. Number 16. Free cabin surprises for birthdays and anniversaries. Cruise lines love to make guests feel special. And here's a perk you don't have to pay for. If you let them know you're celebrating a birthday or anniversary, your cabin steward will often decorate your room for free. We're talking balloons, towel animals, streamers, and sometimes even a little cake waiting when you walk in. It doesn't cost the cruise line much, but it feels like a huge deal when you open the door and find your cabin transformed. Some passengers think you have to buy expensive celebration packages. And yes, those exist, but you don't need to spend a thing to get a little extra magic. I've seen couples brought to tears because their steward surprised them with an anniversary setup, and kids who lit up when they found balloons covering the cabin for their birthday. All it takes is mentioning your special occasion when you book, or even just telling your steward once you're on board. Free, personal, and memorable. This is one of the sweetest perks of cruising. Number 17. Free onboard credit if prices drop after you book. This last one is hands down the most valuable freebie on the entire list, and almost no one knows about it. If you've already booked your cruise and later discover the fare has dropped, you can actually call the cruise line and request the difference back as free onboard credit. Think about that for a second. You've locked in your trip, but maybe a few weeks later, the same cabin type is suddenly $200 cheaper. Most passengers just shrug and think, oh well, bad timing. But the smart ones pick up the phone, mention the new lower rate, and the cruise line will often credit that money to your onboard account. That means free drinks, free specialty dining, spa treatments, or even shore excursions, all paid for by the cruise line. I've seen cruisers get hundreds in onboard credit this way, and the cruise lines won't tell you it's possible. You have to keep an eye on the prices yourself, or ask a good travel agent to monitor for drops. Here's the key. This usually works best before final payment, though some lines will honor it afterward too. The rules vary, but the opportunity is there, Yen, if you know to ask. So while most passengers are paying full price and footing the bill for extras, you could be sipping cocktails by the pool with the cruise line unknowingly funding your fun. It's the single best free perk you'll ever unlock.